Hey everyone, welcome to Infor Learning. I'm excited to have you here for the seventh video in my Infor LN technical training series. And if you haven't seen the previous videos yet, I highly recommend you checking out them first, as they will help you for better understanding of today's session. And in this today's session, I'm going to cover the process and concepts of creation of the package combination, and how you can add the companies and how you can link the company to your custom package combination. Okay, so let's start the today's agenda without wasting much time. Coming to today's agenda, uh, see, in this today's session, I'm going to first explain you the concept of the package combination. Okay, and then I'll tell you the process of how you can create a custom package combination. Then we are going to add the companies, and we are going to link the company to our custom package what we have created. Okay, and later I'm going to explain you the concept of why we need to create a company in Infor LN. Okay, then we are going to create a package, and then we are going to add the modules to our custom package. And see, package is nothing but it's just a name we are giving to our custom application. Okay, like we are going to build a purchase order entry system functionality. So to build up a functionality, we have to give a certain names, and there are some basic rules to follow while defining the package. Okay, that part I'm going to cover. Okay, after defining a package, we need to add the modules. Okay, and there are some basic rules where how we have to add the modules. Okay, after adding the modules, we are going to create a package VRCs. That is nothing but we are going to create a folder in our server. Okay, and after creating a folder, what we are going to do means, like, inside the folder to our custom package, we are going to add the software components. Okay, and after adding all the software components, what we are doing means we are going to set our package in the standard packages. That is the thing we are going to do in this package by package combination. Okay, and later we are going to understand the concept behind this rebuild ed process. And like, after that we are going to understand the concepts of data dictionary concepts, like application, what is application data dictionary and what is a runtime data dictionary. And apart from that, we are going to cover the concept of, like, this logout and login process, like why we need to do this every time when we do certain changes in our application. Okay, that part we are going to cover, and typically this is the base of our training session. So uh, when you understand these base concepts clearly, then only you can implement the later advanced training part. Like, then only you can able to easily understand and catch the advanced concepts. Okay, so don't miss out. And before starting the today's session, I just wanted to request that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to do so. By subscribing, you will ensure you won't miss any updates from my channel. And if you find my videos or my content as helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. Okay, so let's start the today's session. Yeah, now I'm going to connect through Bex to my server. So this is my Bex. Bex is nothing but it's like the workbench, you can say. So through this Bex, I'm going to connect to my application server. Okay. Now I have opened my application successfully. So now what we are doing, because we are going to create a custom package. Okay. To create that, first what we need to do, like where we need to do means all this, like, changes. Like, if we are going to do certain changes or doing certain customizations, everything where we need to do in the tools part. Okay, we are going to tools. Okay, yeah, before creating a custom package, I just wanted to show you right now how many package combinations we have. Okay, so to know how many like package combinations you have like right now currently, to know that, you need to go to application development. Okay, in application development, go to packages and modules. Okay, in packages and modules, you see there is a session called package combinations. Okay, If you see here, right now we have three package combinations. Okay, let me explain these concepts. Later I'll create for you. Okay, see, the thing is that uh, first let me give the definition of this. Let me write this combination. So, first, what like, see, first, how many package combinations are there in this? As of now, three. But this Infor Learning 10.8 is the package combination that I have created for my learning purpose or for my practice purpose. Okay, that's what. Okay, but initially, I only have two package combinations. Okay, like while I was installing or while I have the application, I have only two package combinations. Okay, the thing is that first let me explain you this. Okay, what is the standard session code for package combination is this TTAAD 1520 M000 is the standard session code. Okay, and package combination is nothing but it's a collection of package VRCs. Okay, collection of package VRCs. Okay, see, I'm explaining you two ways of like how you can you like directly you can go through the standard session code by clicking this session code on the, like, see, I'll show you. I'm here I'm explaining you the two ways, like how you can directly go to the standard session, like by entering the standard session code in the run programs. You can directly navigate to this, or else second thing is that I am showing you now, like in the tools part you are going to application development, and application development you are going in the package and modules folder, and in that folder you see this package combination session. Okay, so I'm explaining you two ways to navigate. Okay, and I told you now, package combination is nothing but it's a collection of package VRCs. Okay, the collection of package VRCs is the package combination, is the definition of. Okay, and you have seen there three package combinations now, like B61 B61A. Okay, you have seen this, and you have seen something called 10.7, and you have seen something called 10.8. So this B61A is the base version. Okay, in this base version only the barn application has been developed. Okay, so this is a base version. B61 is the standard and base version. Over this base version, this 10.7 was formed. Okay, like you can say this 10.7 was formed by added few additional functionalities and upgraded the version. Okay, see, the 10.B61A is the base version. Over this the barn application was over this version only the barn application was developed. Okay, later through this base version only, what the infer like what they have done means, uh, like in this base version there are certain functionalities. By on that certain functionalities, what they have done means they extended some, like they extended the functionalities and added some few more functionalities and upgraded the version. Okay, that's called 10.7. Okay, and what I have done means, like I have taken this 10.7 as a base version and formed a new version of package VRCs of 10.8. Okay, uh, like to create this 10.8, what I have done means from 10.7 taken as a base and added a few packages. Okay, and formed a new package called 10.8. If you uh, from 10.7 only, what I have done, this is taken as a base version and added few packages over this and formed a 10.8 version. Okay, this is what how the package combinations will increases. Okay, I'm just explaining through a lame example. Okay, don't take it as a seriously, but it's just a lame example. Now if like now I want to create another package. Okay, another custom package, and I want to give the name as 10.9. Okay, so to do that, what I need to do, Infor LN 10.8 is a base. Okay, for me, the base version will be 10.8 is a base. Okay, and I want to give the naming for this 10.9 as in the description part, Infor learning 10.9 is I want to give the naming part. Okay, and see, you may have a question now. You may have a question, certain questions like, what is this base version? Like B61A is a base version, I'm saying, and in 10.7, I'm saying that they have added some more functionalities and upgraded the version. So you may have a like questions like so. I'll show you this thing clearly. Okay, let me close this application as of now, and if you see here. As of now, we only have three only now. We are going to create a new package combination, and after creating that package combination, will directly add it here. Okay, that part I'll show you later. Okay, now go to the package by package combinations, and if you see here, let me change first B6. Okay, B61A, the base version. I'm selecting that and giving a tab, as I told you now. In this LN, tab is mandatory. Okay. After giving tab, if I select all records, let me maximize this first. Okay, after selecting all records, if you see in the top, like in the bottom right part, you can see 19 records selected. So in this B61A, this package combination, in the base package combination, only 19 packages were there. Okay, wait, and I want to show you. Control G, Control B, and I want to select this 10.7 application. From this base version, they have like added some more functionalities. No, that what the part that what I wanted to explain you. Okay, giving a tab. Okay, now I want to select all applications. Control A. If you see at the bottom side, you can see here 27 records. So from the base version, what the Infor LN people have, what they have done means like by taking this base as a like parent, and from that parent only they have added certain more functionality and extend the functionalities. Earlier in this B61A we only have 20 like 19 records. Now in 10.7 we have 27 records. Okay, if you see in the 10.8 also I have only 27 records only, because I've taken that 10.7 as the base and created a new package combination. Okay, and if you see 27 records only, but when we are creating a 10.9 application and we are going to add our own custom application in that, then the records will be 28. Okay, later I'll show you that part. Okay, now we need to create a custom package combination now. So first let me close this and I'll show you this. First I'll explain all the concepts, and simultaneously I'll show you how you can create that. Okay, so second part is that we need to create a custom package combination. We have a standard session code that is TTAAD 122 M triple zero. TTAAD 122 M triple zero is the standard session code. Okay, for creating a custom package combination. Okay, to I told you now, this is the first way of going to the session directly by entering the session code, or else you can go to the application configuration. Okay, that is also in the tools part only. In tools you are going to go to, like, you are going to application configuration. In application configuration you see a folder called companies and package combination. Okay, in that there is a session called create new package combinations or VRCs, one step. Okay, click on that app, uh, click on that session. Okay, if you click on that session, you can see that initially it is asking me a source package combination, like a source package combination from which package you are the base package. It is asking me to specify the base package. Okay, base package combination. So to specify, you have two ways. You can directly click on the arrow part, or else you can directly click the control B and select a package combination. So what I'm thinking that I wanted to create a package combination by taking this Infor LN 10.8 as a base version for my 10.9. Okay, I'm selecting this and clicking OK, giving tab, and now target version combination. Target package combination means it is asking me to specify. So I am specifying my new version that as 10940. This is my uh, target package combination version. Okay, and giving a tab. Now it is asking me to specify the VRC code to create. Okay, so in this you can select anything, like any package, and after selecting the package you need to give the tab. Like, after selecting the package you just need to save and exit and specify the description part. Okay, what we plan to specify the description as Infor Learning 10.9 as a description. I wanted to give Infor Learning 10.9 is my description. Okay, and later if I give a tab, it will ask me to create a directory path. See, a runtime directory data definition. If I give, it will ask me, so create a new package combination. So while creating a new package combination, a new directory will be created for that package combination. So it is asking to create, and I'll say yes and give tag. Okay, and while creating the package combination, you can, if you have any existing company or you can segregate by users also. Like, if I click on this selection range, like, change the existing company or users, like, I can directly give the existing company and give certain users, and the new package combination will be applicable to that specific company or specified users. Okay, you can give that directly also. But as of now, what I wanted to do is, like, I want to create a new package combination, and I wanted to link these custom package combination after create, this custom package combination after creating the company. Okay, so that's why I don't want to use this. Okay, and if I click on this create button, then it will ask me to print the device, and I'll just do continue. So now what the system will do means, like, the system is going to take the 10.8 as a base version. From that 10.8 from this 10.8 base version, the system will create a new package combination in a directory path, and whatever the packages are there in the 10.8, that packages are going to copied in my new package combination. Okay. Just wait a couple of minutes. After completion of this step, after completion of this step, I'm going to show you how my package combination is created in the server. Okay. And one more thing is that, see, while creating the package combination, you must have to know, like, how many packages are there in your base version and how many packages are there in the standard version. See, you can see here package combination is 10.9 is creating, and it is taking all the uh, like linking all the packages. First it is linked all the packages, and now linking all the table definitions. Table definitions is nothing but tables only. Okay, whatever the tables that are there in our standard sessions or in our standard packages, all that it is taking, okay, and creating in the new directory path. See, the like creating a new package combination will be basically starts from it will take all the packages and then all the table definitions and then all these sessions. This is the process. Okay, if you see here, right now it is taking all the table definitions. Now then it goes to the session path. So I'll just summarize what we have done till now. See, we have created a new package combination in this TTAAD 1000 M000 session. In this session we have created, okay, and if and the concept of package combination is nothing but it is a collection of package VRCs. Okay, we have all the standard package VRCs, and that is what package combination means. What, okay, and coming to package combinations, we only have we till now we only have three package combinations. Okay, there's three package combinations. Okay, and we have created this package combination 10.9. Okay, in our new pack this is a new package combination that what we have created, okay, in our application, and we are going to develop everything in this package only. Okay, from now onwards I'm using this package combination only. Over this package combination all my development process will be done. Okay, and coming to this basics 1a, this is the base version over which the ban application has been developed. Okay, and coming to this, like, I'm using 10.7 application, 10.7 version, so that's why this is the 10.7 version. Okay, and in 10.7 version was formed by adding on new functionalities and upgraded the version. So from base version only, what the Infor LN has done means they have added some more functionalities and extend the functionalities and upgraded the version. Okay, and formed a new version called 10.7. Okay, what I have done means, like, I've created a new package combination by taking 10.7 as a base version, and okay, and in this base version I have not added any functionalities. Okay, I have not added any packages. Okay, and in 10.9 I'm going to add, okay, the new package. Okay, the new package that what purchase order entry system I'm going to add. Okay, if you see, as of now in 10.7 we only have 29 packages. Okay, remember this, 29 27 wait a second, I just want to check it and confirm. Where application development, sorry, I didn't remember that. so that's why I wanted to check. Okay, the creation of new package combination is successful, and if you see here, process success completed and zero warnings. Okay, okay, the process is completed. What I wanted to do, I just wanted to check all the packages. Okay, 27 now. Okay. Okay, as of now we have 27 packages, and we are going to add a new package here in this, and the like purchase order enter system. So that means what, total 28 packages will be included, like will be there in our 10.9. Okay, 10.9 version, total 28 packages will be there. Wait 1 second, just write. I'll show you this part in the last. Okay, because after adding all the packages we need to do the rebuild dd process and logout login process. Okay, after all that I'll show you this. Okay. So as of now the process of creating a new package combination is successful. So if you want to check, I'll show you in this package combination. If you see here, now we have created a new package combination. Okay, successfully. And if you go to the package combination, sorry, like packages by package combination, I can directly select my new package combination, that is 10.9. Okay, and giving a tab. So here you can see there whatever the packages that are available in 10.8, all that packages are I have taken as a copy, or else you can say I have taken as by duplicate. Okay, now we need to create company. Okay, or else we need to create or add the company, or else you can say companies. Okay, and the standard session code for creating a company or adding a company is the standard tt aad 1110 M 000 is the standard session code. Okay, first let me guide you to navigate to that. Okay, and to adding or creating a company you just need to go to tools. Okay, over tools you can see application configuration. So in application configuration, the same folder, companies and packages only, in that one, in that folder you can see a session called companies. Okay, okay, now as of now you can see here we have two companies. Okay, this is 000 is the standard company, and 100 is a testing company, that what I have created. Okay, and I'll tell you why we need to create these companies. Okay, the concept behind creating a company is, let's say you have two modules like sales and purchase. Okay, let's say example, for example, you have two modules called sales. Okay, just hold 1 second. Sales, the second module. Okay, you have purchase. Okay, so what you will do, whatever the module, so what you are going to do means, like whatever the data that is related to sales, you are going to segregate it by through companies only. Like basically the company, these companies are created to segregate the data. Okay, like uh, let's say what I have taken a lame, like let's say this, over this example only, let's say you have two modules now, like sales modules and purchase module. Okay, now you are going to store all the data that related to sales in 100 company, and you are going to store all the data that related to purchase in the 200 company. Okay, so by this you can easily understand now. So this is just a lame example, but in general, in practically, like in general, in the real world, what we use, like how we use these companies is for we divide into two parts, like two modules, like all the financial transactions will be stored in one company. All the uh, you can say logistic stick transactions will be stored in one company. Like, okay, I hope you are like getting some clarity. See, basically, we are creating or adding a company because we want to segregate. Like we are segregate the data and save the data in separate company. Separate. Okay. To do that, we are like creating the companies. Okay. I have given you a lame example that whatever like let's say you have a two modules, like what you are going to do, whatever the whatever the data related to sales you are going to store in 100 company, and whatever the data you are going to purchase, you are going to store in the 100 company. The data like purchase or sales means, like in sales what will come. See, whatever the data that is coming, like that is you are going to sell, whatever the amount you are going to receive from the customer, whatever the sales orders you are generating, whatever the data related to sales, all that data you are going to store in this 100 company. Okay. That is what I've given a lame example, but in practical world, we are going to like create the company and segregate the data based on these two aspects only, like financial transaction and logical transaction. Okay, financial transaction means what? It may be a like it may be a receivable, it may be like the product that you are going to buy from the vendor, it may be the amount that you are getting from the customer. All that financial part you are going to store in the separate company, and all the logistic part you are going to store in the separate company. Okay, I hope I'm making some sense. Okay, now I'll show you how you can create a company. Okay, so to create or to add a company, you just need to go to this session, and after that you just need to create, like there is a two ways of creating, like either you can co- click Control N, or else you can directly click this blank bar. Okay, you now you need to specify the company. Like 100 is I'm already using, so I can't specify 100. If I specify 100 again, it throws me error, like record is already exist. Okay, so now I'm specifying 200 my company for, and I'm giving a name as for purchase order entry system. Purchase system, let's say, I'm just giving for your clarity, I'm just giving the naming part. Okay, and you can specify the first day of week. Okay, and after that you can specify the currencies, like see, you can specify the currencies, like this purchase order entry system, if you are dealing with India, you can specify INR, and you are dealing with some like Saudi, you can specify some other SAR, like that. See, uh, let's say I wanted to specify the default currency as Saudi Riyal. So to specify, there is a two ways. Like I can directly find this in this generic units table, or else by clicking this find button and specifying this first free number of that part and clicking OK. So it will directly shows me okay, like SAR. As of now I wanted to give it as INR only, so I'm specifying the default currency as INR. I'm selecting the INR Indian rupees and giving a tab. Now here you need to link. I just wanted like here you are linking your company, like you are linking the company to your package combination. Okay, so for this 200 company I wanted to link for 10.9. Okay, I'm linking here 10.9, giving a tab, or else directly by saving, the process will successful. Okay, now after doing this, like after creating a company, we need to do the convert to runtime. Okay, why we need to do convert to runtime? Okay, I'll tell you later. See, every time when you do certain changes, you need to do the convert to runtime or create runtime. Okay, whenever you do this process of create, like convert to runtime, create to runtime, you need to log out and log in. Okay, why you need to log out and log in, means I'll tell you this concept later. Okay, let's go back to, I have successfully logged out from the application and now I'm logging back to the application. Okay, let's go to tools. Now we have successfully, what we have done, we have successfully created a custom application, like custom package combination. Okay, after creating a custom package combination, what we have done, we have created a company. Okay, now I want to change, like if you see here, if you see here, you can see that like like whenever I am opening this application, it is opening the standard company. 000 is the standard company, but just now I've created a new company and I want to change that. So to change the company, you can directly go to our options and change the company and specify. Here you have to specify the company which you want to select. Okay, there is a two ways. Either if you know, if you remember the company, you can directly specify 200, like as of now I'm remembering 200, or else you can directly uh, click Control B and go to the companies session, and in that you can select the company and click OK, and here you can click OK. So now you can see the company has changed. Okay, now now what we need to do, we need to create the packages. Okay, before like to create a package, we need to go to tools. Okay, and tools, after tools we need to go to the application development. Okay, in application development, we have a folder called packages and modules. Okay, in that folder you can see a session. Okay, packages. Okay, before creating, I'll just explain you the concepts. Okay, packages, or you can say, now we are going to create a package. Okay, and the standard session code for creating a package, or like going to the packages module, it is the ttadv 1100 M000 is the standard session code. And the definition of this package is nothing but, just remember that giving name to your custom application is called packages. Okay, like uh, what we are going to do in this packages is nothing but we just defining our package and giving a name to that. Okay, like we are going to define our custom package and giving a describe in description, we are just specifying the name. Okay, that's what we are going to do. So the definition, don't go too much like deep about what is mean by package. Okay, just remember that package means what, giving, sorry, giving name to the custom application is called pack. This is what we are going to do in this packages module, in this packages session. Okay, and while defining the packages, there are some basic rules, that is two characters only while defining. So this is the basic rule. Okay, the basic rule for creating a package is that you need to uh, you need to use the two characters only. So this is a basic rule. Okay, I'll show you. See, I have came to this packages session. Okay, in that I want to create a new package. Okay, uh, I can directly click on this new, define my package as IL. Okay, and give the name as of, like, we are going to develop a new package. We are going to develop purchase order entry system. Huh? You are select purchase order entry system system. So this is my new package that what I have created. Okay, and after creating, you just save this. Okay, and after saving, you can directly save and exit. Okay, now we have, after creating a packages, we need to add the modules in our packages. Okay, first let's understand the concepts of modules. Okay, so the standard session code for like adding the modules is ttadv 1101 m triple zero is the standard session code. Okay, please remember all the things that what I'm writing in the notepad. Okay, and try to write in a separate copy, and also I'll provide this notepad in the description part if you want to go and refer this. Okay, so like basically why we are like adding these modules means like to divide the functionality based on the data. We are going to add the modules. Okay, if you remember, like, I'll tell you, to divide the functionality of PO. PO is nothing but the purchase order entry system. So to divide the functionality of PO based on data, we we are using the modules. Okay, if you remember, in my previous class I have told you the concepts called master 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 data, transactional data, sorry, master data, I guess, master data, transactional data, transactional data. uh, See, like based on data, we are going to divide the modules as master data, master data, transactional data. Like in master data is nothing but the data that like the data that does like I've told you now, the data that never changes is known as master data, like master data. And master data is means what, the data that does that not change changes frequently, like the data does not change frequently, but once in a year, or like, see, whatever the data that does not change frequently but once in a year, or you can say See, the data may change, but not frequently. But once in a year is called master data. And coming to this transactional data is means what? The data that changes frequently. The data that changes frequently on, you can say, daily basis. So, see, I'll tell you the concept is, see, modules is created like in custom application. Why we add modules means we are going to divide the functionality of purchase order, like the whole functionality we can't directly store, like in real world what we do means like other see, purchase order entry system is not just a small piece of functionality. If you extend the functionality, if you prolong, there is more things to learn and to do implement. Okay, so in real world what we do means like we uses these modules to divide the functionality. So based on the data, see, like based on the data we may think that master transactional data. See, master data is means what? The data that never changes are considered as the master data, and the data that does not change frequently but once in year, or you can say, or in a month, or in a month, that comes under the master data. And the transactional data means the data that changes frequently on daily basis or weekly basis, that comes under the uh, transactional data. So based on this data what we do means we are going to add the modules, like let's say how we do means like let's say we have this. Again, I'll just show you master sorry data, master master data, master data, and transactional data. See, what we are going to consider this that, like based on my functionality what I'm going to consider that I wanted to like consider master data as common module, and master data I wanted to consider this as inventory module, and this transactional data I want to consider as I'm like developing a purchase order entry system. So that's why I'm taking as purchase. So PU or purchase module. And while adding or defining the modules, we have some uh, principle. Basic principle rule is that while defining, uh, you just need to like three characters only while defining. Okay, this is the basic rule. So uh, like three characters only while defining. So based on that basic rule what I have defined: common, inventory, purchase. Okay, so whatever the data that never changes I'm taking as common module, and whatever the data that changes but in a year or in a month, that I wanted to store in the inventory, and whatever the data that changes regularly on daily basis or weekly basis, that I wanted to store in the purchase order. Okay, I hope till now you have an like clarity. Okay, I'll just add that modules in my custom package. Okay, okay, now I'm opening this module. Let me maximize this. Okay, as of now you can see here we have another package. Okay, to change that package we need to uh, like group that. There is a two ways, like directly you can group new, or else you can directly press and like press Control G. Sorry, first you okay. I and now you need to specify the package what you have defined in the previous one. I have defined the package called IL. After selecting the package, give tab. Okay, now I need to define the modules. Okay, to define the modules you can directly click on new, or else you can press Control N, define the module. So what we thought means, like we wanted to create three modules like common, inventory and purchase, based on this master data and transactional data. So based on this I'm going to create three modules. Okay, sorry. So common, and what I have told you now, the basic principal rule while creating the modules is we need to define only three characters. Okay, this is the basic principal rule. Okay, because let me okay, I've closed that session. If you see, this is the standard, AS is the standard session, and if you see they have defined three characters only. See, this is the basic rule. Okay, now I'm changing again. IL, now I'm defining COM common, and in description you can specify what you have to define here. Okay, common, uh, inventory, inventory, purchase, purchase. Okay, successfully I have created the modules. Now I'll save this and save and exit. Okay, next we have package VRCs. Okay, let's understand the concept of package VRC and later create the package VRCs. Okay, seventh one we have package VRCs. Okay, the standard session code for going to the package VRC is uh, it is TTA, hold on, ADV double one. Wait a second, I'll just show. TTADV 15 1511 M triple zero. So the standard session code for going to package VRCs is TTADV 1511 M triple zero is the standard session code. Okay, and this package VRC is nothing but defining or giving a name of the folder of our, like in the custom, like see, it is like you are going to define a name of a folder in the server. That's what you are going to do in the package VRCs. Okay, like I'll just define the I'll just give the definition to this package VRCs. See, in package VRCs we are going to do nothing but we just are defining the name of a folder of our custom package in the server through the UI. UI is nothing but the begs. Okay, that's what we are going to do here. So I'll just write the right here. I'll just give this defining or giving name of the defining or giving the name of the folder to our custom package in the UI. The UI is nothing but, sorry, a second. Bex. And so the Bex full form is, see, in package VRCs we are just giving a name, we are just creating a folder in the server, and that folder will store all the like all the data of our custom package. Okay, in that folder only we are going to store everything. Okay, that's what we are going to do. And coming to this, see this Bex is nothing but barn enrollment, okay, configuration system some. Okay, this is the UI. Through this UI we are going to connect to the server. Okay, um, so if you go to the package VRCs, first you need to change the package. Okay, to change the package I'm going to group and change the package. Okay, sorry, IL. Now I need to create a VRC, and this VRC is nothing but it's just like a folder that the folder that what I'm going to create in the server. Okay, uh, to create that you just need to click Control N, and here you need to specify the version. I'm specifying as 109, and you the release will be, as of now it is my initial part, so 0. Customer to whom you are going to develop. So for now, as of now, what I am thinking that the customer may be IL 0, IL 01 is my customer. So IL stands for Infor Learning, 01 stands for the first application that we are going to develop. Okay, and here you need to specify like give the description to your folder, and I'm giving the description as Infor development. Okay, no, Infor learning or learning development, learning. Okay, learning development, and the status will be developing only. This is what you have to specify here. Later the I'll show you. Okay, okay, as of now I'm going to save and exit the package. Successfully we have created a package VRCs here. Okay, now you need to, now next is directories of software components. Okay, let's understand what is mean by directories of software components, and later add that. And the standard session code for directories of software components is TTADV 1115 by M000. Is the TTADV 1115 M000 is the standard session code. Okay, and what you are going to do in this directories of software components means you just like adding all the software components to your custom package. Is that what is that like that is what you are going to do in this directories of software components. Okay, adding all the custom package. Okay, like we have created a package now, like we have created a package called IL. So to that package we are going to add all the software components. Software component is nothing but this forms, menus, objects, program scripts, functions, report scripts, and additional files. All these software components we are going to add to our custom package. And let's say you are like for your package you are using only two, and these things as of now you are not using. Okay, So like you can add these two parts now, and later if you want to add it later you can add that one also. But the best practice is when you are like creating a custom application and when you are adding a directories of software components, you have to add everything at once only, because later when you are trying to add there is a chance of causing corrupted data dictionary. To avoid such cases, you need to add all the software components at once only. Okay, in my previous class I've told you like adding a directories of software components is two ways, like in two ways you can add. Okay, and I have explained these concepts in more detail on that class. Okay, if you on that previous session, if you want to check it out, please go and check that previous session. Okay, now I want to change the package and VRCs, and then I want to add all this. Okay, the best way is to add up software components is directly I can duplicate this. So uh, first it is asking me specify the first record to be copied. Okay, I'm selecting forms as the first record. Okay, and then it is asking me to specify the last record to be copied. Okay, I'm specifying the last record, and then you need to change the package here. Like I'm selecting my package IL tab, giving a tab, and I need to specify my VRCs. You can see here defaultly it is selecting 107U. To change that VRC, and if you like as of now I don't know my VRC, so I can directly click Control B, go to the VRCs table and select my VRC here, and click OK button. And after after selecting my VRC, I can directly give tab, tab, tab. See here the VRC is automatically changing. Okay, and after changing it is asking me to like directories of software components, like copy the records between two, like the first between two records. It is asking you want to copy between two, so yes. Okay, so it is asking me like the system is asking me a new directory will be created in the name of, you can see here, IL109U. Okay, hold on, I'll just write that here. See, after defining the directories of software components, a new directory is created here in the system. A new directory is created, like, hold on, I'll just write here. Directory is created as il il109u 109u underscore 0 underscore il01 il01. See, if you remember, while defining the package VRs is how we have created, like I'll tell you later. Okay, hold on, I just wanted to, yeah, it is asking me, do you want to create a directories in the $bsc path of application? Okay, it is asking me. And if you like what uh, see, this $bsc is nothing but uh, see the $bsc. See, the $bsc path is nothing but the path where your application or your files is going to be stored. Okay, I'll just draw, where is this dollar symbol? Okay, bs, where your application is going to store. See this $BSC path is nothing but where your application is going to store. Okay, that is what this $BSC path. Okay, if you see here, it is asking, so like, do you want to create a directory in the $BSC path in the name of IL 109U underscore 0 underscore IL 01. So I'm saying yes. Okay, so it shows me that 7 records has been copied successfully. Okay, now in the server a file is created, okay, in the name of IL underscore 107. This in the name of package and VRCs, a folder is created. Okay, in that folder this is 7 software component is added. Okay, and that's what we have done till now. Okay, now next what we have, package by package combinations. Okay, first let's understand the concept of this package by package combination. Packages by package combination. So the standard session code for packages by package combination is TTAAD, TTAAD, TTAADV, TTAAD double one two one M triple zero is the standard session code. Let me check it once. Packages by package combination TTAAD double one two one M triple zero. Yeah, this is the standard session code. Okay, now coming to this packages and package combination, what we are going to do here means we just let's like we are adding the custom package in the package combination. Like this is the package combination that what we have created. Okay, in this package combinations you can see here there are certain, like there all the standard packages are there. Okay, in these standard packages we are going to add our custom package. Okay, that is what we are going to do. Okay, uh, let me define the term here. Adding the custom package in the standard packages. Okay, you can say this as adding a custom package in the standard packages or adding packages in the package combination. Like adding custom pack adding custom package in the package combination. See, like this is my package combination now. 10.9 is my package combination, and in this 10.9 package I'm going to add my package now, custom package. That's what we are going to do. So this is the thing that is happening in the packages by package combination. Okay, and to do that what you need to do means like you have to press Control N and you have to specify your custom package that you have created. Okay, IL is my package. Give a tab and you need to specify the VRC. See, you can see if I specify this is 109 you have specified, but it is taking the default VRC. If you click other VRC, it won't allow you to. Okay, if I click this, see the system is saying that package VRC is not found. Okay, so for that purpose I need to change this VRC. Okay, 109U is my VRC, 109U0 IL. So this is my VRC, and okay, I need to specify the VRC. Okay, now I have specified the VRC. now you just need to, okay, before doing that, if you see here in the down or in the up, there is nothing showing me to do like uh, if you see here, there are nothing to like nothing is showing as of now. Okay, if I save this, so the system is asking me to rebuild dd to the process to changes. Like now, earlier the system was okay. Now I have added a new package in the system now. So the system is asking me to do rebuild dd. Dd stands for data dictionary. Okay. By doing that process, I'll tell you the concept of this rebuild dd. Okay. To do that rebuild dd, you just need to go to specific and click on the rebuild dd. Okay. So here the system is asking the data directories of the package combination will be rebuild continue. So I'm saying yes. I'm defining D for display. Okay. Okay. The package, the rebuild dd process is started. Okay. Let's understand the concept of that rebuild dd. Okay. So the last one for our rebuild dd. dd stands for data dictionary. Data, D-I-C-T-I-O, data dictionary. And the standard session code you may know. Let's go to find the standard session code. Okay, we are going to do this in the packages by package combination. So the standard session code is also this TTAA T1121 M000 is the standard session code. Okay. Okay, let's understand the concept of this rebuild DD. Okay, see, uh, this rebuild DD is nothing but the name itself says na like data dictionary. So dictionary means what? The package combination is just like a dictionary. In this dictionary we have added a new package now of our application, purchase order entry system application. So the system will, what the system will do means like the system will reorganize all the packages and its all corresponding tables in the application data dictionary, and corresponding information is updating in the runtime data dictionary. If you see here, like what the system is doing, it is reorganizing all the applications and corresponding the tables. Here you can see table definitions and all that tables. Okay, it is reorganizing in the application data dictionary, and corresponding information is updating in the runtime data dictionary. Okay, and that's what happened here. Okay, behind the process. Okay, it's just like uh, see, you can think this packages by package combination as a dictionary. Okay, in this dictionary what you have done means you have added a new package. Okay, like let's take a lame example that you have added a new word in the dictionary. So like what the system will do means like the system will drop all the contents, just like it is dropping all the packages in the system, and it is reorganizing all the packages by like all the packages. Okay. With all that packages, it is corresponding all the tables, it is like reorganizing in the application data dictionary, and all the information it is updating in the runtime data dictionary. Okay. And if you like, we got a two new concepts called like application data dictionary and the runtime data dictionary. Two new concepts we got. Okay. See the uh, application data dictionary and runtime data runtime data dictionary. So the word application data dictionary is nothing but the information in the database is known as and information in the database base is known as application information in the database is known as application data dictionary. Okay, and so coming to this runtime data dictionary is nothing but it's like the files in the operating system is known as runtime files in the operating system is known as runtime data dictionary. Okay, so whatever the reorganizing and whatever the changes is happening, it is updating in the operating system, okay, on the server. Like if I like sorry, okay, rebuild dd process is succeed, okay, successfully the process is completed. Okay, you can see here, and there is no status like process to changes completed. Okay, and if you go to specific and you wanted to do again rebuild dd, you can't do because the button is disabled now. This the button is disabled, so if I press enter or something, that won't happen, allow the system won't allow me. Okay, no, what the system has done means like it is drop, it has dropped all the contents, okay, and reorganize it. Okay, that's what happened this in this rebuild dd process. Okay, if you want to like I'll just okay, specify the definition. Okay, the definition is the system will reorganize all the packages and its corresponding tables. Okay, I'll just specify the system all the contents and so the system will drop all the contents and reorganize all the packages and its corresponding, yeah, corresponding tables in, in the application dictionary and corresponding information for MAT information it is updating in the runtime data. Okay, so the simple like definition of this rebuild dd is that the system will drop all the contents and reorganize all the packages and its corresponding tables in the application data dictionary. Okay, this application data dictionary is nothing but the information in the database. Okay, and the corresponding information is updating in the runtime data dictionary. Okay, runtime data dictionary is nothing but the files in the operating system is known as the runtime data dictionary. Okay, this is the thing that is happening in the behind the system. Okay, like the system will drop all the contents and reorganize it. Okay, well, okay, and so whenever you do certain changes, now I have told you, whenever you do certain changes like log out and login. When where changes is done. Say whenever certain changes is done, you need to do log out and login. When like when you done some rebuild DD process, or else you have created a runtime data dictionary. Runtime data, create a runtime DD. You can see you like this is a shortcut. DD stands for data dictionary, or you have done a converter to runtime. Converted, convert to runtime DD. So whenever you do certain changes like rebuild DD, create runtime DD, or convert to runtime DD, you need to do logout and login. Okay, I'll do that process and explain you later what is the concept behind it. Okay, go to files, close the session, exit. The session will application. Okay, okay. Some sessions are open, so that's why I can't close. First, I need to close this packages combination. Okay, now I'll close this. Okay, I've closed the application. Now I'm log out. I have done the logout and now I'm back login the application. Okay, now I'll tell you the concept behind is, see, why I have done the logout and login means, see, the runtime data dictionary files have been changed. Like when I have created the like when I have like see when I have connected to the server for the first time, before changing, then a lot of objects have been loaded in the shared memory. Okay, this shared memory is nothing but the information in the runtime data dictionary is known as the shared memory. Okay, see, when I have connected to the server for the first time, before changing, then a lot of objects have been loaded in the shared memory and which have loaded into the system. Okay, and I have been using this shared memory so far. Okay, like so far I have been using this shared memory, but now I have like but now because of this rebuild DDNA, certain files undergoes the changes in the runtime data dictionary. Like that's what happened in the runtime. Now to convert the now the current runtime DD and the previous runtime DD both are different. Like because see, the if I say the current runtime DD now, after doing the logout and login, the current runtime DD, this is different, and the previous runtime DD is different. Why different means, because see, in this current runtime DD I have added a new package and a new directory is formed. Okay, I have added a new package and so new directory is created in the name of this. Okay, but in the previous runtime there was no package in the name of this IL, or in the there is no directory is safe in this name. Okay, so that is different now. So like as new, so that's why when I log out and log in, the shared memory will flush out all my memory, like the previous like see, when I log out and log in, the shared memory will flush out. My memory will cleared all like the previous memory will cleared, and when I reconnect, then this time new runtime data dictionary files will copy the shared memory. So This is the process behind the this is the internal process happens in the system. Okay, like and yeah, I just wanted to add shade shade. See, the definition of this shade memory is nothing but information in the runtime dd data directory. Okay, uh, I'll explain this concept of logout and login again, and I'll summarize all the things what we have covered now till now. See, the process of this logout and login is happening like this logout and login is done whenever you do certain changes like a rebuild dd or create runtime or convert to runtime dd. So whenever you do certain changes, then this has to be done because see, let me explain everything what I've done previously. See, when I have created, like when I have connected to the server for the first time, before changing, a lot of objects have been loaded in the shared memory. Okay, that is nothing but the information in the data direction, information in the runtime is loaded in when I've connected to the first time. Okay, and I have been using that shared memory so far. Like I was like doing the configuration part and like adding a new packages. Okay, so far I was using that pack like shared memory only, but now I have added a new directory, like now I have created a new directory in the name of this. Okay, and new packages added in the name of il. So now when we compare to the current runtime dd and the previous runtime dd, both are different. Like now see, the current runtime DD, that is the current runtime DD is not updated till now, but the previous runtime DD, in that only I'm going to use like so right now I'm using the previous runtime DD only. In previous runtime DD, it will not shows me the this package. Okay, to show me this if I want to show uh, if I want to see my package in my current runtime DD, then I need to log out and log in. Why I need to log out and log in means because see, when I do this log out and login process, the shared memory will flush out, all my memory will clear the previous one. Okay, and when I connect like reconnect, then this time new runtime data dictionary files will be copied, okay, to the shared memory. And in this new runtime data dictionary, the new file will be there. Okay, so this is the internal process happens behind the system. Okay, okay, and let me summarize all the things that what I have covered till now. Okay, what I have covered in the first video is that I have created we have created the package combination, custom package combination, and package combination is nothing but it's just like a collection of package VRCs. Okay, and we have created the package combination in this standard session that is called TTAAD 1222 M000 is the standard session code where you can create a custom package. Okay, and after that what we have done means we have like created a company. This creation of company will be happen based on the data segregation. Okay, data segregation, we created a company here, and after creating a company we created a package. Package is nothing but we just given a name to our custom application. And while creating a package there are some basic rules, that is only two characters are need to be defined while creating a package. Okay, and after creating a package, we what we have done means we have added the modules. Okay, the like adding of modules is nothing but to divide the functionality of our purchase order. We will divide the functionalities based on the data, like master data, transactional data. So the master data is nothing but the data that never changes is known as master data, and master data is nothing but the data that not changes frequently, but once in a year or in a month the data will change. So that is comes under the master data. And transactional data is nothing but the data that changes frequently on daily basis or the weekly basis. Okay, on that basis the transactional data is created. Okay, so on this based on this three data, what we have done means we created three modules called common, inventory and purchase. And what I thought means like master data is nothing but the common, master data is inventory module, and transactional data will be purchase. On that basis I have created or I have added three modules. Okay, later what I have done means I have created a package VRCs. Package VRC is nothing but I'm just defining a name of the folder of our my custom application in the server. Okay, I'm just creating that name. Okay, after creating a folder, what I have done means in that folder I have added all the directories of software components. Okay, all the directories of software components I've added to my in that like custom package. Okay, and like after creating in the server the like directory will created as il in the name of my package. See, I'll tell you. IL stands for the package. Okay, IL. How the system will store like the file will store in the name of like IL is the package. Okay, and this 109 u underscore 0 underscore IL01 is my VRC. Okay, on that basis the system will store. Okay, like will create a directory here. Okay, after like after these directories of software components we have done this package by package combination. That is nothing but in the standard packages we have added our custom package. Okay, after doing that what we have done means we done the rebuild dd process. Okay, the rebuild dd process is nothing but the system will drop all the contents of and reorganize all the packages and its corresponding tables in the application data dictionary, and the corresponding information is updating in the runtime data dictionary. Okay, and the definition of application data dictionary is nothing but the information in the database is known as application data dictionary, and the information that is the files and runtime data dictionary is nothing but the files in the operating system is known as runtime data dictionary. After that what we have covered means like about the process about the concept of logout and login. Okay, what I have told me what I have told you to that whenever you do certain changes like rebuild dd process or create runtime data dictionary or convert to runtime data dictionary, when you do certain changes you need to do you need to log out and log in. Because see, when you do certain changes now, the previous runtime data dictionary, you are doing certain changes in the previous runtime data dictionary and you are going to add that. But in the shared memory, the like previous runtime data dictionary only is running, but the to like in the shared memory the current runtime is not running. To do that, like what we need to do means like logout and login. So when you do this logout and login process, what the like the previous shared memory will flush out and all the memory will cleared and the new runtime data dictionary files will loaded. Okay, this is the like concept. This is the thing happens behind the system. Okay, so now let's move to the Q&A session. So if you have any questions about what we have covered, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer your questions and provide you more insights. And thank you for joining today's session on Infor Learning. I hope you found this information useful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more contents on Infor Learning and other ERP solutions. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions on the future topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you.